Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So as we are already posting all the Agentblazer Legend series in our channel, do check all the videos under a playlist called Agentblazer Legend. And now let's take up our second challenge, which is create an Apex agent action for a module called Agent Customization with Apex. So once if you launch your playground, we are going to search for agent force assets, which you will find it over here. So once if you click on that, move to actions tab and followed by new agent action, and for reference action type give apex, and action category should be invocable method, and for action choose check whether and just click on next. As I already completed this step, just let me show you. So after clicking next, what we are gonna do here is, if you scroll down, you will get to see collect data from user, which is under this input. I'm just gonna check this checkbox, and then on your right side you will get to see temperature description, so which is over here. Click on show in conversation and click on finish. And now in quick find again search as agent force, so you will get agent force agent. Just click on it, and if you scroll down you will get coral cloud agent, and then coral cloud experience agent and Einstein copilot. So here we are gonna choose Einstein copilot. Click on open in builder. So here select the topic called migration default topic, and then go to this topic section. So here you will find check weather. So this one we have to add. At this moment we will not get it. So what we have to do is, you will get the option called new. So here we are going to choose add from asset library, and here if you search action called weather, you will get agent action label called check weather. So as I have already added this is not showing, but then you will get, after getting, just click on this box and then click on finish, so that you will get this check weather under agent action label. So once done, just click on activate. So this should pass our challenge. Let's check it. Click on ignore and activate. Now let's go back and check our challenge. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed both of our challenges now. If you find this video useful, do subscribe to our channel, and see you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.